Have you considered getting mixitup bot or gotten it and don't know where to start? Let me help you out. You want to go to mixitupapp.com. The website is fairly simple. You're able to download it from here. There's different areas on here that talks about what they do, what apps they match with, all the different things that you can do with it. And once you download it, you're going to have a box pop up. Obviously, your information isn't going to be in there yet, so you're going to want to log in. Box is going to pop up to accept terms and agreements, and it's going to tell you a little bit about the features and where you can get information to help you. You're going to go through and you're going to decide what you want to connect with. So right now they only offer Twitch, Trovo, and Glimesh. So once you've chosen that, you will sign in with all of your credentials. Once you've logged in with all your credentials, you'll have a chance to do a bot account. A bot account is another Twitch account with a different name that you use and will post as your bot, such as Care Bear's bot. When you first log in, it's going to take you to your chat, and obviously you're not going to have anything set up yet, so you're going to want to click Settings, and you're going to want to go in here. You can change your theme, background color, dark mode, how your chat, like things that pop up if you want to use this for your chat, different commands and how they react. I would go through each one of these tabs and adjust to your liking. Once you have set all this up the way you like, click the X, go over here to the little hamburger, click it, and go down to Services. Now this is where you can connect everything that you have. So if you use OBS or Labs, if you use Elements, you can link it all here. You can do Twitter, Discord, Stream Deck, link everything that you have on this page. Once you've linked it, it'll have a check mark over here. I would then start basic. Let's start just making a command. Just a regular old command. Nothing too fancy. Yours will be empty. You'll click New Command and you'll give it a name and then what you want it to trigger. I have groups. I sort mine. I like to be very organized with it so that way if a command messes up, I can say, okay, well that's an event command. I can go straight to the events and fix it. So I like to categorize my stuff. The commands are fairly simple. You can do a chat message, you can trigger another command, you can add conditionals, which we will get into in another video. There's so much stuff you can do in here. If you guys want specific tutorials on something in here for a command, let me know and I will gladly help you. But I would start simple, just make some few commands, and if you have any issues, I am always here. Drop a message on this video and I will gladly help you with whatever it is that you're having issues with.